have a special chart this for you today, getting year-end forecast for the precious metals. Joining me now is Gary Wagner. Gary, thanks for being back with us.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
Well, let's start with gold. The metal taking cues from the dollar, of course, and U.S. monetary policy. Do you expect this choppy trading to continue for the metal, or should we see some stabilization, especially since it doesn't look like we'll have a rate hike this year, Gary?
Well, I agree with you, and I think that we will probably see some stabilization. Of course, we saw what I believe to be the absolute bottom in terms of gold prices when it came intraday down to about 1071. And since that, we have seen the market rise. The second thing that we have noticed is I am seeing similarities between now and 2009 in terms of the fact that equities and the precious metals group, specifically gold, are moving to the upside in tandem.
And what about silver? October is looking to be a stellar month for the metal. Could we see this trend continue for the rest of the year?
We certainly could. The one thing I would expect in silver is extreme volatility. There's absolutely no doubt when the metals move as a whole, silver in many instances in terms of percentage gain leads the way. We saw it rise from what, $14
right,
to where it moved almost $2 in under a week, 2 weeks in trading. So we'll see volatility and we could see more upside.
All right, well, let's wrap with platinum and palladium. As you know, they've been in the headlines, especially with the Dieselgate scandal over at Volkswagen. How are the PGMs looking to you given the industrial component they have associated to their price?
Well, you know what? They have been moving in a sizable manner to the upside. We've got palladium that has just been a stellar performer, actually moving closer and closer to parity with platinum, now only about $250 apart. So that is certainly something you want to watch as we go into the end of the year.
Well, Gary, thanks so much for joining us today.
Great. And I do want to let our viewers know that I have created a special report, Year-End Outlook Precious Metals, and it's available to the street as well as Chart This Kitco viewers. Simply go to our site, thegoldforecast.com, and you can watch the report.
Thanks, Gary, and thank you for watching this week's edition of Chart This. We'll see you tomorrow.